What's going on, guys? So it's been a little while since I've vlogged or anything like that, but nonetheless I have something special for you today. We're legit in the middle of nowhere right now. As you can see, I'm walking down the street right now. It's not paved, it's dirt, but we're going to see some waterfalls today, and we are waterfall hunting. That's what we're doing right now. So hopefully we can find some epic waterfalls and I get some epic shots for the vlog and for my future videos that I'm going to be doing. It's been a little while. It's been a couple months since I've vlogged. It's been that long. Cut to some amazing B-roll, so let's go. This is an amazing view. Let's get these photos in. That's a wrap. We're done checking out this falls. We're on to the next one and see what else we can accomplish. What did you say?
No trespassing.
What? What?
Why are you?
We're headed to the next waterfall right now, and we're walking through like this deep valley. Like, look at this. The top is way up there. And on this side, it's like way up here, somewhere over there. It's a little high, We are definitely deep in this little valley. Right back to the car. I'm tired now. I'm about to go get some ice cream. So, let's to go.